Hey, what's up? So, you want to clean up your diet, and I'm going to be helping you with that. My diet used to be awful because I used to eat fast food, pizzas, snacks, not very healthy stuff. And as a result, I looked quite unhealthy. Since I cleaned up my diet, my skin has looked a lot healthier and cleaner. And also, I've lost a lot of body fat. A couple months ago, my body fat percentage was at 19%, which is quite high. And then I started fixing my diet, and now I'm at 14%. So this makes a massive difference. So how can you clean up your diet? Well, you need to cut out all these processed foods and switch to a primarily whole foods diet. So what does that mean? That's foods that only have one ingredient. So for example, if you've got a pack of potatoes, you look at the back and it would just say one ingredient, potato. They're the foods you want to prioritize. Because all of these processed foods today have so many chemicals in them that just ruin your health. I'm assuming you have some kind of goal when it comes to productivity or the gym. So if your goal is something to do with productivity and work, you're going to want to limit your carbohydrates in the morning, because carbohydrates cause you to feel lethargic and tired. For example, in the morning you can usually read very well and fluently. But after you eat something with carbohydrates in, you'll suddenly start to slip up on your lines, and you're going to have to keep rereading sentences. That's why I have my first meal of the day after I've done my work. If your goal is more fitness related and you want to build muscle, then you're going to need to get more carbohydrates, because this will give your muscles energy and fuel your workout. I know both of those contradict each other. Like, how can carbohydrates both give you energy and make you feel tired at the same time? Well, from what I've learned, carbohydrates mess with your brain, but they give energy to your muscles. You should also split your protein intake between 3 meals throughout the day, because protein synthesis is where when you consume protein, it's active for a few hours. So when we distribute our protein intake throughout the day, that protein will be active for longer. My first meal of the day is usually 5 scrambled eggs on 2 pieces of toast. Now this is 500 calories and 40 grams of protein. That's already a third of my daily protein intake at the start of the day. So I just split my protein across 3 meals. Oh, and make sure they're whole eggs, not egg whites, because whole eggs boost your testosterone. You can also make some really nice overnight oats with just oats, chia seeds and protein powder on top. Then just add some milk in and stir it. Then when you leave it in the fridge for a few hours, it's going to prepare for the next morning when you eat it. And for dinner, I make 2 jacket potatoes, and inside I put tuna and mayo, and on the side, cucumber and tomato. That's about 800 calories and 40 grams of protein. So again, now we're at 2/3 of my protein. And with the overnight oats, that's a full day of protein right there. You should also buy Brazil nuts as a snack. This is because they have selenium inside, which boosts your testosterone. Right, I feel like this video was a bit too short. I mean, a lot shorter than I was expecting. Right, here's a 360 of the area. People are always walking down that path there and there. But if this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe, it helps me out a lot. And check out my next video here. I'll see you next time. Bye.